In this video, I will show you how to sign into your eFootball account, switch a different account or log in with a new account. Just follow these simple steps and you will be done in a few minutes. First, open the eFootball game on your device. When you reach the start screen, don't tap anywhere else or the game will load normally. Instead, tap the three-line menu in the bottom right corner of the screen. Then, select data transfer from the menu. Now, choose the platform where your account is linked. For example, if your game is linked to a KONAMI ID, tap transfer data link to KONAMI ID account. If it's linked to Google Play Games, Apple ID or another option, choose that instead. You will now be redirected to the login page. Now, click here. Then, enter the email address and password for the account you want to sign in with. Then tap sign in. After you tap sign in, a 6-digit verification code may be sent to your email address. Enter the code, then tap next. In some case, you won't be asked for a verification code, so you simply continue. Once you have signed in successfully, you will be taken back to the game automatically. Now, just wait a few seconds while your game data loads. And that's it. You have successfully signed in to your eFootball account or switched to a different one. I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.